Ready to compare Samsung's latest A series? Let's dive in. All these Samsungs offer a big screen for immersive viewing. The A57 edges out the others slightly, giving you a bit more screen real estate. When it comes to sharpness, all three deliver the same crisp, vibrant Full HD Plus experience. So, no matter which one you pick, your content will look great. A57 boasts Super AMOLED Plus for richer colors. All have smooth 120Hz, bright displays, but A37 notably lacks HDR10+. All have Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection. A57 and A37 add Vision Booster, in-display fingerprint sensors. The A57 leads with the powerful Exynos 1680 chipset, promising top-tier performance. The A56 follows closely, while the A37 offers a solid, efficient experience. The A57 and A56 pack the latest Cortex A720 cores, delivering blistering speeds for demanding tasks. The A37, while capable, uses older generation cores. For gaming and intense graphics, the A57's Xclipse 550 GPU takes the crown, offering the best visual experience. The A56 is a strong contender, leaving the A37 slightly behind. Performance benchmarks confirm the A57 as the undisputed champion, crushing Antutu's scores. The A56 shows impressive power, while the A37 still offers very respectable performance for daily use. The main 50MP camera with OIS and PDF is fantastic across the board, guaranteeing sharp, stable shots. The A57 and A56 boast a superior 12MP ultrawide for expansive scenes, giving them an edge over the A37's 8MP. All three capture smooth 4K video, thanks to OIS for stabilization. However, the A57 pulls ahead with HDR support, offering richer colors and better dynamic range in your recordings. All benefit from OIS, PDF, and enhanced nightography for stunning low-light shots. The A57 and A56 further impress with advanced AI features like Object Eraser for smarter photo editing. For your selfies, all three sport a capable 12MP front camera, ensuring clear and vibrant self-portraits. You'll get consistent quality across the board, perfect for sharing your best angles. When it comes to battery life, there's no debate. All three pack the same generous capacity, promising excellent endurance to keep you powered through your busiest days. A37 offers impressive 6-year OS updates. A56 boasts 45W charging. All share IP68 resistance. A57 is the premium choice. A37 is mid-range. A56 offers fantastic value, making it affordable.